Hey y'all, welcome back to Home Decor 101, the place where we take the guesswork out of great design and help you turn your house into a home, one beautiful detail at a time. Today, we're diving into a look that's bold, timeless, and a little misunderstood. Let's take a look at animal prints. Now, before you roll your eyes or picture that loud leopard print couch from 1989, hear me out, because animal prints have a long, luxurious history that might just surprise you. So let's rewind a few centuries. Back in the day, like way back, animal prints were a sign of royalty, wealth, and power. Think African kings adorned in zebra hides, European nobility draped in furs, or 18th century French estates with tiger pelt rugs by the fireplace. These prints weren't just about fashion, they symbolized status, strength, and prestige. In castles and manors, animal patterns were reserved for the elite, a bold visual cue that said, I have taste, power, and a little bit of wild. They brought texture, they brought drama, and yes, they even brought elegance. But somewhere along the way, maybe during the over-the-top trends of the 70s or the ultra-glam excess of the 80s and 90s, animal prints got a bit of a bad reputation. They became linked with the word tacky, loud, garish, even cheap. But here's the thing, it's not the print, it's the placement. Just like anything else in design, it's all about balance, texture, and intention. Used right, animal prints can still evoke that sense of old world luxury, but in a fresh, modern, and totally livable way. Think of a sleek zebra print bench in a neutral entryway, a pair of leopard print pillows on a beige sofa, or even a subtle cheetah wallpaper in a powder room. They aren't just fun patterns, they're timeless tools for adding depth, warmth, and a bit of wild personality to a room. And guess what? Designers are bringing them back in a big way. From high-end design magazines to everyday homes, animal prints are being reimagined and re-respected. I don't know if that's a word, but I'm going to make it one for this video. They're no longer confined to fashion statements or bachelor pads. They're being layered into sophisticated rooms that feel elegant, grounded, and yes, even calming. So if you've been curious about adding animal prints to your space, but you're worried it might come off as just a little too bold or too much, too over the top, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use animal prints in very elegant and creative ways that are tasteful, balanced, and chic, from accessories to statement pieces and everything in between. And if you see something you love or want to bring that look into your own home, make sure to check the description box below. I've handpicked some of my favorite animal print decor finds from Amazon so you can shop the look and make it your own. Alright, let's get into it. Here's how to decorate with animal prints the right way. And for this video, I'm actually not going to do much more talking. I know sometimes you guys just like to see the visual images, and that's fine. So go ahead and check out the video, and I will speak to you all in the next one soon. Thanks for watching. So I think this sofa is a great idea. It shows that you can go bold with animal prints and still have it in a very beautiful, resigned, and refined room. Also love this wallpaper. So this is what they mean when they say go big or go home. So I had to pop back in to say I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section, do you all plan to implement a few animal prints in your scheme, in your respective homes? Okay, I am so eager to see that because a lot of people shy away from animal prints, but as you see in this video, they can be very elegant and timeless and beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have not already subscribed, we would love to have you as part of our home decor family. And if you want to see a couple of more videos, check out one of these on the screen right now. I'll see you in the next one, friends. But remember, whether you choose to go with animal prints or another home decor style, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a sense of gratitude. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.